Stop wasting time on heavy vacuums. The Shark PowerPro Plus is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. This cordless beast is incredibly lightweight and packs a serious punch against dirt and grime. First up, the FloorDetect technology is a total game changer. It automatically senses your floor type and adjusts suction for maximum performance on both carpets and hard floors. Say goodbye to manual settings. Second, if you have pets, you are going to fall in love. The powerful pet hair pickup lifts stubborn fur instantly, keeping your home allergen-free thanks to the premium HEPA filter. And third, you get a massive 50-minute runtime on a single charge, so you can clean your entire house without running back to the outlet. This is the ultimate tool for a spotless home. Don't wait until these sell out. Grab yours right now at the link in the description below. Click that link, get the Shark PowerPro Plus, and start cleaning smarter today.